You could believe in Santa Claus, yet still not believe in yourself. You could pause because you're afraid of your turn in the urn on the living room shelf. You could have a brand new set of Ginsu knives. You could have more good luck than an alley cat's got lives. You could outdeal the devil in the dark of night while you scan the future with your second sight. But you gotta roll your rock away. 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 You could dance to the beat of a different drummer as you drive down the street in your bright red Hummer. You might look hot on the beach this summer, or be the coolest dude in a crowd of cucumbers. You could talk a dog off a meat wagon, convince Austin Powers to give up shagging, or sell snow to the city of Buffalo as part of your own reality TV show. But you gotta roll your rock away. 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 You can have the cleanest house in Babylon, or the best tasting Salt and Gomorrah. You may be the latest prophet reciting from the Bible, the Quran, the Wall Street Journal, or the Torah. You can get yourself a groovy guru and a magical mantra to mutter. Or you may prefer modern scientific voodoo as you hit the links with your carbon fiber putter. But you gotta roll your rock away. 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 Yeah, baby. Would you dare to take my hand? Let me show you your own promised land. It begins when you choose to see yourself the way you wanna be, and you have to roll your rock away. Roll your rock away. You gotta roll your rock away. You gotta roll your rock away. You could be drowning in the desert, thirsty in the pouring rain. You might be wondering when someone's gonna finally explain why you can lead a horse to water. You might even get your horse to drink. You can lead a man to knowledge, but I'll be damned if you can get him to think. He's gotta roll his own rock away. gotta roll your rock away. You gotta roll your rock away.